From Shell to Spring, Making a Bouncy Egg by Casey Fielding. Questions. Can a raw egg be turned into a bouncy, rubbery egg by soaking it in vinegar? How does soaking time affect how bouncy the egg becomes? If I soak a raw egg in vinegar for 12 to 48 hours, then the eggshell will dissolve and leave a rubbery membrane. I think soaking the egg longer will make the egg more flexible and bouncier, but soaking too long may weaken the egg's membrane. Materials: 3 raw eggs, white vinegar, 3 glass jars, 3 labels A, B, and C, a ruler, tape, soft towel, notebook, camera, pencil, marker, and spoon. Procedure: label 3 glass jars A, B, and C. Label ruler with a marker at 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, and 30 centimeters. Place 1 egg in each jar and cover with white vinegar. Observe bubbling. Using it, let each egg soak for assigned time: 12 hours, 24 hours, and 48 hours. Using a spoon, remove each egg from its jar carefully. Rinse it gently and pat dry. Observe. Did the shell change? Is the membrane still intact? Tape labeled ruler vertically to a wall. Place towel under ruler. At 12 hours, drop the egg from jar A at a height of 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, and 30 centimeters onto a towel. Using a camera, record each drop and observe the height of the egg's bounce. Record how high the egg bounces for each drop. Average the bounce heights of each drop. Repeat steps 9 through 10 for the eggs from jar B and C. Record your findings on how the soaking time affected the average bounce heights of each egg. Results: 12-hour egg. Before dropping the egg and the shell feels smooth, is cracked, and not completely dissolved. The egg has no hardness at all. When dropped from a height of 10 centimeters height, the egg did not bounce and the membrane dented. When dropped from 20 centimeters, the egg did not bounce and the membrane dented slightly more. At 30 centimeters, the egg's membrane busted. The average bounce height was 0 centimeters. At 24 egg. Before dropping, the egg shell has more cracks and is powdery. When dropped from a 10 centimeter height, the egg bounced 4.62 centimeters. When dropped from a 20 centimeter height, the egg bounced 5.8 centimeters. At the 30 centimeter height, membrane busted. The average bounce height was 2.57 centimeters. 48-hour egg. Before dropping, the egg shell is completely dissolved, the membrane is intact, and the egg itself is rounder and yellow. When dropped from a 10 centimeter height, the egg bounced 7.7 centimeters. The egg membrane broke when dropped from 20 centimeters, so the egg was unable to be dropped from 30 centimeters. This left the average height for the 48-hour at 2.57 centimeters. When the egg busted, there was a lot of excess liquid.